Hey, it's Eagle Runner Bill here. I'm working on this Coleman lantern, rechargeable. It's not working. I can plug it in charge overnight and it still does not work. So there's my plug where you plug it in to recharge it. Let me plug the adapter in and I should get a light. And once I plug the adapter in, I've got a charging light. So more than likely all that's probably working fine. But my big question is why do the lights not come on? Why it's in charge? The battery could simply be draining the voltage off, but like I said, I don't want to put a lot of money into it. These lamps aren't that expensive. So anyways, let me see what the input is from the charger. So I disconnected my battery leads and I'm going to put the red wire on the red meter lead and the black wire on the black meter lead. Plug in my charger. And I've got 6.9 volts and it's a 6-volt battery. So I'd say all that's good. But like I said, I don't want to buy a new battery and have to buy new lights. So we're going to get a power source out of my battery charger. I got a 6-volt switch for output. So I'm going to hook my black charger lead to my black wire, clamp them together, and I'm going to hook the red wire to the red charger lead. So keep my polarity straight. Go ahead and turn my charger on 6-volt output. My light comes on. So put it in the off, it's off. Flip my switch to night light. Night light comes on. High, low. I don't really see a change in density there. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and buy a new battery because I think this lamp will work just fine with a new battery. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.